Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So 11 to 14th of October current affairs we are going to discuss today in our session, that is called TNA by Aditya sir. So this current affairs, what are the major highlights which we are going to cover today? Let me just go through with that. First of all, if you have not subscribed the Guidely channel yet, do click on the subscribe button so you will be able to get the updates of all upcoming classes as well as the videos which I am going to upload regarding the preparation of current affairs, general awareness, as well as interview preparation for all your upcoming interviews. Starting with the news highlight, news number 1 is related to Reserve Bank of India. RBI issues a new license for white label ATM recently. So what is the meaning of WLA and which company recently got the license? What are the recent update regarding WLA? Everything we are going to discuss in detail. Second news is Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman attended FE Best Bank Award. So what are the major awards given in this category and where this award ceremony was conducted? Full detail. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank recently got the license of AD1 from the Reserve Bank of India. What is the meaning of this AD1? How it is going to change the functionalities of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Complete details. State Bank of India recently classified MTNL, which is a subsidiary of BSNL, around 325 crore rupee outstanding debt as NPA. It means one government company have done the NPA of a government bank, right? So this news also we are going to discuss in detail. Next one, DigiLocker partnered with Umang application for seamless access of government services. So what are going to be the question based on that? We'll see. India launches a Study in India campaign, but not in India. This campaign was launched by India in UAE. So complete details regarding this. After that, we have the new additions in the series of Nobel Prize. So all the new Nobel Prize which are announced after Friday that we are going to cover today in the session. So PDF you will be able to get with the support of this Telegram group, GA Genius by Aditya sir. Simply scan the code to join the Telegram group, get all the PDF available on this group. Apart from that, you will also able to get the complete guidance regarding the interview preparation for your RRB PO interview, IBPS and SBI PO interview on this Telegram group. Homework questions which I have given you in the last session. IMPS facility provided by NPCI through its NFS channel, that is called National Financial Switch. National Financial Switch is a product of NPCI. Currently NPCI is managing it. This product is a 24/7 ATM network in India. You have observed one thing, ATMs in India work 24/7. How? So each and every ATM in India is linked with the NFS, National Financial Switch. That is why they are able to work 24/7. All other facilities which are working over NFS, they are also 24/7. One of them is IMPS. MMID is how many digit code? This question was there in the recent examination of, I think, Indian Bank LBO also, right? So MMID is a mobile money identifier code. It is a 7-digit code which is useful to transfer money in IMPS. Complete detail regarding MMID you will be able to get it from here. IFSC is how many digit code? So it is called Indian Financial System Code. It is a 11-digit alphanumeric code. First 4 character bank represents the bank name. They are alphabet. Last 6 numeric character represent the branch address. 5th digit is always 0. That is called control unit. Complete details are given here only. So our TNA heroes, who were the TNA heroes? Those who are giving the answers regularly. So Atira, Sabha, Divya, Aman, Nikhil, Joy, Ajit, Jaggi Durga Rao ji, after that Shraddha and Saini ji, Simran, Pankaj, Harsha, Cherry, Priyanka and Venki. Thank you guys. Thank you for answers. Continue your efforts for gaining the knowledge with the support of homework questions as well. Let's see the questions for tomorrow. Homework questions. The answer of these questions you need to put in the comment box. As per the Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy 2024, RBI made change in its policy stance. So what is the new stance of policy which is accepted by the Reserve Bank of India? Second question. As per the monetary policy update October 2024, inflation rate projected by Reserve Bank of India at what percent for FY25? Similarly, what is the GDP prediction of RBI for the India for current financial year 24-25. So these are the homework questions. Starting with the regulatory news, news number 1. Reserve Bank of India issues white label ATM license to Mumbai Electronic Payment Service. What is the meaning of white label ATM? In short, we call it WLA. So white label ATMs in India are the ATMs which are started by non-bank financial companies. See, NBFCs does not have authority to issue debit card. They are not allowed to issue. NBFCs are not allowed to accept demand deposit. They cannot issue debit card, but they can install their ATM machines. So who will be using this ATM machine? ATM machines will be used by the other bank customers. And after the free number of limits, so maybe you guys are aware about that every bank and every NBFC need to provide five free transactions in metro in their own ATMs. Means if I am the customer of SBI and I am using the SBI ATM, so I will be able to get 5 free transactions either in metro or in non-metro. Apart from that, other bank customers will be able to get 3 free transactions in metro and 5 free transactions in non-metro. For example, I am the customer of SBI and I am using the PNB ATM very regularly. So PNB is going to provide me 5 free transactions in non-metro cities and 3 free transactions in metro cities per month. Same rule is applicable on NBFCs or white label ATM as well. After the free limit, NBFCs start charging certain amount. Recently, one committee was also made by Reserve Bank of India. You guys need to tell me that committee was formed under the chairmanship of whom? The committee which was formed by RBI to rationalize the charges of ATM, that is off us ATM transactions. तो उनके लिए एक कमेटी बनाई गई है. There was a big demand from the side of white label ATMs only that we need to increase the charges. So currently one committee have made, that committee will give the recommendation very soon. I hope you're getting my point. So what is the meaning of white label ATM? ATMs which are started by non-bank financial companies in India, they are called white label ATM. Recently RBI given the license to one more company to start their white label ATM in India. Company name is Mumbai Electronic and Payment Services. Mumbai Electronic Payment and Services. So this Mumbai Electronic Payment Services, it is backed by Apis Partner UK and Dutch Entrepreneurial Development Bank. So these are the two different organizations which have their investment in the Mumbai Electronics Payment Services. So with this EPS became the 5th white label ATM operator in India. So it is the 5th white label ATM operator in India after Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited, TCPSL. Second one is India One Payment. Third one is Hitachi, and fourth one is Warangal Limited. These are the 4 other white label service provider in India. Fifth one is this one, Mumbai Electronics Payment Services. This is the 5th one. I hope the statements are clear, right? Now the first white label ATM in India was started by Tata. That is Tata Consultancy Services have a subsidiary called Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited. This company started the first white label ATM in India called IndiCash. IndiCash was started in the year 2013 in Maharashtra. In Thane district of Maharashtra, this first ATM was started. I hope the statements are clear. Okay. Currently, if we will see the status, so in India, approximately 14% ATM out of total ATM are the white label ATMs. Numbers are difficult for the examination. Maybe they will ask, maybe they will not, but percentage they can definitely ask you that what percentage of total ATMs are the white label ATMs in India. So it is 14% of the total ATMs in India are the white label ATM in India. So approximately 34,700 ATMs are white label ATM out of 2,56,000 ATMs which are available in India at present. So this is the data regarding the white label ATM. Moving toward the next phase, that is banking and financial news. Nirmala Sitharaman, the Finance Minister of India, have attended FE Best Bank Award 2024. So this she have attended as a chief guest. Now the major awards which were announced during this FE, that is Financial Express Best Bank Award 2024 or FE Award 2024. In this award, Banker of the Year award was given to Mr. V. Vidyanathan, who is the MD and CEO of IDFC First Bank. So IDFC First Bank के MD and CEO इनको मिला है Banker of the Year Award 2024. After that, Lifetime Achievement Award was given to Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara, former chairperson of State Bank of India. So SBI recently retired chairperson Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara sir was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award. I hope the statements are clear. Moving towards the next point, one more important thing, that who was the chairperson of the jury which have decided to provide these award to whom? एक jury बनता है award के लिए जो decide करता है कि award किसे दिए जाएंगे out of the among nominated people. So that jury was chaired by S. Ramadurai sir, former vice chairperson of Tata Consultancy Services. So he was the chairperson of jury which have decided the award will be given to whom. Nirmala Sitharamanji was not the chairperson of jury. She have attended the award as the chief guest. I hope all the statements are clear. Moving to the next news. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank secured Reserve Bank of India approval as AD1 license. What is AD1? So AD1 is authorized dealer license. After getting the authorized dealer license, any bank got lots of new responsibilities or any bank got lots of new functions to be added into their portfolio. These type of bank will be able to offer forex product including buying and selling of the foreign currencies, domestic and international currency transfer, currency management, currency exchange also they can offer you. So all these facilities are available to the bank which are getting the license as authorized dealer. So all your these commercial bank, SBI, PNB, BOB, ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, they already have the license of AD1, that is authorized dealer 1. So these bank will be able to offer you remittance facility, foreign exchange, resident foreign currency deposit, that is RFC account, foreign currency non-resident account they can offer now. So NRO account they can offer, NRE account they can, means these are the accounts which are offered to NRI, non-resident Indians. So all the accounts which are offered to NRI, the special types of account, NRE, NRO, FCNR, RFC, all these accounts will be offered by this bank as well. After that, forex card they can offer. They can also do the transaction of external commercial borrowing. They can also manage FDI, foreign direct investment, or they can manage FII, foreign institutional investors. After that, export import financing, letter of credit, bill discounting, all these big finance facilities, especially in the international trade, will be offered by this bank also, that is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank now. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank was founded in the year 2017. Bangalore, Karnataka is the headquarter. Mr. Sanjeev Nautiyal is the MD and CEO. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank hold 80% stake in the bank. Ujjivan Financial Services hold 80% shares in the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Moving to the next news. State Bank of India and MTNL. We know that MTNL is a government company. So this MTNL borrowed the loan from Reserve Bank of India. Currently, the total outstanding including interest amount with MTNL is around 325 crore rupee. Means SBI have given the loan including interest. That loan amount is currently 325 crore rupee. Now, it was moving from this one, your SMA 0, 1 and 2, and finally it has been announced as a NPA, non-performing asset. So MTNL borrowed, total borrowing was 7,800 crore rupee from the banks and financial institution. The total debt on company is approximately 31,900 crore rupee. Huge debt. So company is in huge debt, company is in huge loss. So recently State Bank of India have announced approximately 325 crore rupee in the form of NPA for MTNL. Because it is a government company, this news is going to be important for the upcoming examinations as well. MTNL founded in the year 1986. New Delhi is the headquarter. Mr. Ravi A. Robert is the chairperson managing director, who is also the chairperson of BSNL. MTNL is a wholly owned subsidiary of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. तो ये BSNL की ही एक subsidiary है. Next news. IFC means International Finance Corporation, which is one of the organization of World Bank. This IFC is the organization of World Bank which deals with the lending to the private sector, private organization. Private banks can borrow loan, private companies can borrow loan from the IFC, International Finance Corporation. So IFC partnered with Axis Bank, which is a private bank in India, for first blue loan of $500 million. So, scaling up the blue finance and green project in India, this amount will be utilized. What is the meaning of blue loan? Blue loan focus on funding to water, wastewater management, reducing the ocean plastic pollution, restoring the marine ecosystem, promoting the offshore renewable energy project, among other different projects which will be mostly related to the water. I hope it is clear. So first, India's first blue bond raised by Axis Bank from International Finance Corporation, IFC. Okay, moving to the next one. Indian Navy partnered with Bajaj Alliance. Indian Navy recently partnered with Bajaj Alliance for naval civilian insurance coverage. So this year, 2024 year, is celebrated by Indian Navy as a year of naval civilians. So there are lots of people working with the Indian Navy, those who do not wear dress. They work as a civilian. They don't have authority to wear dress, but they work for Indian Navy. I hope you're getting my point. They are not soldiers, but they work for Indian Navy in the different segment, different areas. So these are called civilian employees. So these civilian employees will be able to take the insurance with the support of Bajaj Alliance at very competitive rates. Means at very nominal rate, Bajaj Alliance is going to offer them insurance coverage, including the term insurance. So life insurance, that is a term insurance facility, will be offered by Bajaj Alliance to the civilian employees of Indian Navy at very competitive or very nominal charges. This is what the overall news is. Moving to the next phase, appointment news I don't have today. So national and international news. News number 1. DigiLocker partnered with Umang application for seamless access. One question will be there in your mind, sir, what is this Umang application? I don't know about this. Maybe you guys have not heard about the Umang application. So let's first clear what is Umang application. Umang is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. This is the full form of Umang. It is a mobile application. Of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to offer all types of services of Government of India, including state government, at one portal. This is what the task of Umang. So different facilities, different government schemes you can access with the support of Umang application. Now Umang application collaborated with DigiLocker. So on the DigiLocker there will be a section of Umang app. Within DigiLocker there will be a section of Umang app. Now on the Umang app there was a problem that for any services, any facility you want, you need to upload your documents again and again. Your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your address proof, all such details you need to upload. Now on the DigiLocker this facility will be available, which is going to make task easier for the Indian citizens, that they will be access the government scheme with the support of DigiLocker directly, because Umang application will be linked with the DigiLocker now. So this is what the overall news is. Moving to the next one. India launches Study in India campaign at UAE Education Show. This was the 20th edition. I want to ask one question. Tell me quickly that which was the first IIT from India started their campus out of India and in which city? पहला IIT इंडिया का जिन्होंने अपना कैंपस इंडिया से बाहर स्टार्ट किया था and at which place? Second question, that which was the second IIT started their campus in India and at which place? तो ये दो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बताइए चैट बॉक्स में फटाफट से, ठीक है. 20th International Education Show was conducted in Sharjah to attract the international student. So international student attended this summit, and Government of India have shown that over 590 universities offer the benefit like fee waiver, scholarship program. So if you want to get education, you can get the education in India also. It is one of the best place to get the education. So Indian Pavilion was inaugurated by Mr. Ahmad Muhammad Obed Al Nabubaha. And he was who is this person? Mr. Ahmad Muhammad. So he is Sharjah Chamber of Commerce Industry. He is from the Sharjah Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And Mr. Yatin Patel, who is the Deputy Counsel of General of India, type of ambassador, Deputy Ambassador of India to Dubai. So these are the two people who have inaugurated this. So remember that Study in India event was inaugurated by India at which place? So it was inaugurated in Dubai, Sharjah, Dubai. NCERT partnered with Amazon for nationwide textbooks distribution. So National Council for Educational Research and Training, that is NCERT, have joined Amazon to enhance the textbook accessibility across India, particularly targeting to the remote areas. So those who are staying in the remote areas, how they will be able to access the textbooks. So NCERT have done the collaboration with the Amazon. Amazon will be providing their delivery system. This initiative was announced by Educational Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, addressing the textbook distribution challenge, ensuring all students will have easy access to the NCERT material. So now NCERT material, Amazon will be providing one dedicated link that you can click over that NCERT, you can select the book, and printed books you can order, and they will be delivered to your address with the support of Amazon. So this is a collaboration NCERT recently done with the Amazon, with the support of which now the books will be available every place. Wherever the Amazon have their delivery service, there the NCERT books will be available easily with the support of this collaboration. Moving to the next news, Indian Army launches first upgraded T-90 Bhishma tank. Indian Army roll out T-90 Bhishma tank, a step toward ensuring the operational readiness and armed formation. So it was a Bhishma tank was not new in India. It is upgraded now. So overall involved complete disassembling of tank and rebuilding it with over 200 assemblies and sub assemblies reworked. तो काफी इसको पूरा खोला गया है, वापस से ठीक किया गया है. 25-ton tank is being developed by DRDO Defense Research Development Organization and L&T. ये काफी पूछता एग्जाम में that this particular tank, Bhishma tank, recently developed, or it was in news recently, it is developed by which of the following organizations. So answer will be DRDO and L&T. What is the name of tank? Bhishma tank. To upgrade it, it was reassembled again by the Indian Army. Indian Army founded in the year 26th of January 1915. New Delhi is the headquarter, and Mr. General Upen Dwivedi is the Chief of Army Staff at present. Moving to the next news, that is related to the Nobel Prize. Already we have a discussion in the session of Friday related to the Nobel Prize. So Nobel Prize award money for the year 2024. 2024 award money is how much? So 11 million Swedish kroner is the award money for the year 2024. Nobel Prize Peace Award given by which country? So Nobel Prize Peace, which is there in the news today also. Nobel Prize Peace provided by Norway. All other prize of Nobel Prize, all other Nobel Prize offered by Sweden. Means every Nobel Prize provided by Sweden apart from Peace Prize. Peace Prize provided by which country? Norway. ये काफी आया हुआ क्वेश्चन, लास्ट ईयर भी एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आपके पास आया था. So Nobel Prize considered as the most highest prestigious award in the world. It was started by Mr. Alfred Nobel. The first prize was given in the field in the year 1901. So in the year 1901, award was given into 5 fields, only 5 fields. That was physics, chemistry, medicine, literature and peace. Nobel Prize Economics started in the year 1969. So it was added later. Nobel Prize Economics started in the year 1969. Okay, important facts I have already discussed with you in the previous session. Today I am just repeating it again, so you will be able to revise it, remind it with the support of PDF. So download the PDF. PDF will be available at the GA Genius Telegram group by Aditya sir. Okay. So the news related to the Nobel Prize Peace. Nihon Hindankyo Organization of Japan honored with the Nobel Peace Prize 2024. So what this organization do? Norwegian Nobel Committee decided to provide the Nobel Prize Peace for the year 2024 to Japanese organization called Nihon Hindankyo. So this is a organization which work at a grassroots level for atomic bomb survivor from Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So they work for the survivors of atomic bomb, those who were the means their generations, they are still struggling. So their generations, they are still struggling with the atomic bomb effect, and this organization is supporting them. Apart from that, This organization is also working for world free from the nuclear weapons. So they are trying a lot to make world free from the nuclear weapon. This organization founded in the year 1956 and it is a Japan based organization. I hope the statements are clear. Next one, John J. Hopefield and Geoffrey E. Hinton recently honored with the Nobel Prize Physics. So Nobel Prize Physics have been announced. Nobel Prize Physics 2024 given to Hopefield and Hinton. You can remember one word, Hopefield and Hinton. So Hopefield Hinton honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 2024. I hope the statements are clear, right? So Hopefield belongs to USA. Hinton belongs to Canada, Canada. This question also comes in examination. They have been honored for their foundational discovery and invention that have the advanced field of machine learning, particularly through the development of artificial neural network. So you can remember artificial neural network, involvement of machine learning. The two people have honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics, that is Hopefield and Hinton. I hope the statements are clear, right? Remaining, we have already discussed in the previous session about the Nobel Prize Medicine and Nobel Prize Medicine and the Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. This was covered in the last session. Last session में already cover हो गया था. Just I'm putting it again in front of you so you can revise it again with the support of PDF. Okay. So that was done from my side for the day. Currently, I am unable to come live due to I am traveling actually. I am traveling from Bangalore to Madhya Pradesh due to travel and all. I am stuck here and there. That is why I am unable to come live. From Wednesday, your sessions will be live back morning 8 AM. But you will be continue to get all the PDF, all the sessions on time. Don't worry. Even I will be. It is required for me to record the session. I'll record it and I'll give it to you. So do not worry. Sessions and news are not going to be skipped. You will be able to get the each and every news covered within your show called TNA by Aditya sir or your daily current affairs show. Our RRB PO interview batches are live. For daily NCR batches available. For complete online batches also available. You can select your batch, join it today for your complete preparation. For the preparation of IBPS PO mains and SBI PO mains, GA Hustle batch you should select, which is available on the Guidely platform. Please like the session, share with your friends and keep watching Guidely. I'll be meeting you back very soon live in the next session. Till that time, keep watching Guidely. Take care. Jai Hind.